Welcome to our in-depth exploration of Microsoft Azure AI, where we uncover the fascinating realm of cognitive services. In today's digital age, AI has become a pivotal element for businesses and developers worldwide, driving innovation and efficiency. Microsoft Azure provides robust AI capabilities through cognitive services, designed to enhance applications with intelligent algorithms. Today, we'll focus on three core cognitive services: vision, speech, and language, each with unique functionalities and applications. Let's start with vision services, an AI technology that processes and analyzes visual information accurately and efficiently. These services can detect objects, faces, and even emotions, providing valuable data for personalized user experiences. Businesses can utilize visual recognition for streamlining operations, enhancing security, and improving marketing strategies. Next, let's pivot to speech services, revolutionizing how we interact with machines through voice recognition and synthesis. These services convert spoken language to text, aiding real-time communication, transcription, and speech translation applications. Speech technologies are integral in developing smarter virtual assistants, offering personalized and efficient customer service. Now, let's delve into language services, which empower applications to understand and process natural language. These services offer language translation, entity recognition, and sentiment analysis, which are crucial for global communications. Language services help businesses reach wider audiences, translating content and understanding diverse customer sentiments effectively. Alongside cognitive capabilities, AI search is another powerful tool in Microsoft Azure's AI portfolio, optimizing data querying. AI search provides smarter search experiences, indexing massive datasets to deliver relevant information swiftly and accurately. With AI-enhanced search, businesses can improve customer interactions by offering precise information retrieval from vast databases. Data analytics in Azure AI is another significant aspect, unlocking insights and trends from complex datasets efficiently. Microsoft's data analytics tools use machine learning, ensuring decision-making is data-driven and informed by accurate predictions. Organizations utilize these tools to monitor operations, enhancing performance and refining strategies through data-driven insights. One great benefit of Azure's analytics is its ability to handle vast volumes of data from various sources seamlessly. The integration of AI insights into business intelligence transforms how companies analyze performance metrics and market trends. Azure AI services drive innovation across industries, from healthcare and finance to retail, transforming digital landscapes. Vision AI, for instance, can assist in medical imaging, improving diagnostics by analyzing X-rays and MRI scans efficiently. Meanwhile, speech and language services enhance communication tools within call centers, offering seamless real-time translation. Retail environments benefit from AI search, empowering customers with smart search capabilities and personalized shopping experiences. Data analytics aids in customer behavior analysis, helping businesses tailor products and services to meet consumer needs. Microsoft Azure offers scalability, flexibility, and robust security, ensuring your AI applications perform optimally and safely. As AI continues to evolve, developers and businesses must stay ahead by leveraging comprehensive platforms like Microsoft Azure. With Azure AI, opportunities for creating innovative, intelligent applications are boundless, limited only by your imagination. It's time to explore the horizons that Microsoft Azure AI opens up and to integrate these tools into your applications. Start by experimenting with Azure Cognitive Services, enabling your applications to see, hear, speak, and understand intuitively, followed by using AI search and data analytics to enhance user experience and make informed strategic decisions. The toolkit Azure offers enables endless creativity, allowing developers to craft personalized solutions for various fields. Stay updated on AI advancements across industries, using Azure's cutting-edge tools to maintain a competitive edge. By staying informed, developers ensure their applications evolve, aligning with the ever-changing AI landscape and demands. Understand that Azure AI is not just a toolkit, but a bridge to endless possibilities, driving change and innovation forward. Integrate these AI services into your workflows, pushing boundaries and unlocking new avenues for creative expression. Embark on your journey with Microsoft Azure AI today, embracing the future of cognitive and analytics-driven applications. As you prepare for the AI challenges ahead, Azure AI is your partner in crafting transformative and impactful solutions. Remember, your ideas have the potential to change industries, spurred on by the power of Azure's advanced AI capabilities. We hope this journey through Microsoft Azure AI has inspired new ways to innovate and improve your applications. Explore more about Azure's AI offerings, leveraging free trials and resources to deepen your understanding and expertise. Take this opportunity to expand your AI skill set, utilizing Microsoft Azure's extensive documentation and learning pathways. Engage with the Azure community, sharing knowledge and collaborating to fuel mutual growth and success in AI development. Join forums and talks, contributing to a space where like-minded individuals foster innovation through collective insights. Build confidence as you create with Azure, knowing each iteration brings you closer to mastering AI and its applications. Your contribution, whether big or small, adds to the global pool of AI innovation, making a difference progressively. Stay persistent, as growth and mastery of Azure AI will open new professional and creative opportunities. Seize the opportunities that Microsoft Azure AI presents and engineer solutions that are both innovative and impactful. We can't wait to see what inspiring creations you design using these powerful tools, changing the AI landscape. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of Microsoft Azure AI and the world of possibilities it offers. Stay curious, keep exploring, and harness the power of AI to transform your ideas into reality with Azure's capabilities. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on cutting-edge technology innovations. Hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos and join our growing community of tech enthusiasts. Continue inspiring others as you navigate through the ever-evolving AI landscape, shaping the digital future progressively. Until next time, keep pushing boundaries and let Azure AI assist you in achieving your transformative tech visions. Reach out to us in the comments below with thoughts or questions, and let's engage in meaningful tech discussions. We're excited to continue this learning journey alongside you as we explore the tremendous growth offered by AI. Thank you for watching this journey through Microsoft Azure AI. Remember, the future is yours to innovate. Goodbye for now, and remember always to stay inspired, inquisitive, and ambitious in your endeavors with Azure AI. See you soon on our next tech adventure, equipped and ready to discover more realms of technology with Azure AI.